Good evening, everybody. So, Bidiani Nana Poko. Bet me, I subscribe or YouTube, bet me follow Facebook or comments, bet me about comment section or no abonne to me every distance. But for 1 minute, see, next subscribe and mama watching. No comments, Fabra. Na, and coach Zito. Seek a corner time, no. But Munya was no team pa. Seek a corner time, no. Or the policy be by. One say policy, and no kotoko. I say, sad it will be on over here kotoko. First minutes to 10th minute na kotoko tashi gupa. Wa na wudi kotoko chipa sika kono time no. Na it happens all the time. Eti pese coach Zito and so coming out with such a plan say kotoko from first minute to maybe a 15 minute no. I was kotoko it taking lead against his opponent. So what I say because enye ebling na kotoko e also kotoko e coming back e betenika ever since you kweshe Accra House of Folk or Accra by long go through Abrantie Donzo no all the matches of kotoko about to swina no kotoko e concede and sana obetika you call basike Holy Stars omudi kan e share na kotoko beti ana mo sa share ya kotoko antibio eno na chi no ye ba kumase ye ne yankasa ye krum ye ne mediama enso ebebo ye no mediama eteki lead 2 goals so that say 2 goals and sana second half no ye betiti eka no eya it mean like kotoko ni kwa say it happens like that. Also all the time kotoko na pressure obedi kan take lead no and also fair enough you call Hohoy United Hohoy na to atana edikan kotoko entimi ante yes also ba adjuso ye ne Future Stars na edikan to atana and also so kotoko e bre ansa na obetika no esade ba ko kan o mana 2-1 2 say kotoko all the time no a free sad I'm say about 5 matches in no kotoko di kan ko for one di kan concede goal ansa na obetika no to so coach Zito e wo mu say nkofo ebo achi say o tactics bi nkoyiye ever since coach Prosper to ogum koye no obaye no me de me hunu say obaye no obe ofom de o di ajeje several caps the ama asante kotoko I mean say fair enough but also to me coming up with some strategy we say men so this is my policy the say if free first minute to 15 minutes I was say you take a lead either 1 goal or 2 goals so what I say be ya e betumi asset ye kakra na ama edi ehun bi so abeto yayi ne so opponent ne so the opponent yi kan ehye first goal e boost moral or so these teams somebody can share first goals no e boost moral even though this small team cry or ejuso cry no omo share first goal look at the way how they were playing and also no bomb over kotoko struggle so what I say as a coach but then who say we are from there o ye do betim bia say the ya kotoko betimi akona ni man say etumpon but animo ho no na was no boys in the kasa say be ya transition no betimi aye smoothly na atana kasa so what I say kotoko supporters no draw from mumpo na kan pese abe lose kotoko demand a lot kotoko demand wan kasa wa botim ni pen na wo so you coach nim so kotoko supporters ye ku bi a omu demand omu fa omu club no eni agro nti as a coach no you have to come out with your own strategies sebe ya onso no wo be take lead se manshawa me ma won hye me se me coach Zito se mama mi team kotoko anase me club asato kotoko anshawa wo so ntimi hye me eno ni ade a wo se coach no edition ni trim na wɔboa na kɔtɔkɔ so take lead so atase ne si bi all the time say nipa se team ni hye na se wantimi ante a na yɛ sɛ nkuguo because of say Baseke Holy Stars ɛhyɛ yɛ ntimi ante no nkuguo na ma yɛn yɛkɔ hɔhɔe yɛ ntimi ante no ɛkɔ yɛ nkuguo na de ma yɛn Mediama yɛ lucky na afei so this small club ajusi ɔno so lucky bi na ba yɛ side na etimi de win sa game no nti as a coach do something about it yes adwini ba hofo trim nti I can be your son nti me so my little advice here me so metimi me so as a kotoko fan ya meti akire a me hwɛ niema no this is how I me so mahu no say e was coach me so etimi hye ansa say na sika kono policy bi o de ba na etie o wasante kotoko no me de wasese motie shalom peace ebeto aso like follow na comment na subscribe